We're gonna get there, come take my hand.
Like it's going.
Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Welcome to our ultra spacious balcony room on the Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. As you walk into this room, first of all, my first reaction was, oh my goodness, this room is huge, especially for a cruise ship. So let's go dive in and see what all this room has. First of all, you need to put your key card in to turn the lights on. And then I turn to my right and I see bunk beds. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Our kids flipped out when they saw it. There's 2 bunk beds with a curtain, completely separated to give you so much more space in this huge room. The bunk beds have, let's see what they have in here. They have a little ledge, which is nice, a little reading light over both beds. So you ledge for your water or whatever you sleep next to. And then they have their own little closet space here, which is awesome. I'm thinking we may use that for like dirty clothes or something, which is great. And they're way off the ground, which means suitcases are going to be able to fit underneath here, which is a huge perk. As we continue in the room, we have a closet right here by the bed with actually 2 rows, so you have plenty of room to hang up things, which is wonderful. The king size bed, which is 2 twins put together. If you're traveling with somebody that you don't want to share a bed with, they can split those into 2 twins for you. And then the additional closet, or the main closet, has shelves in it, and it also has more room for hangers. It's a beautiful full-length mirror, and that is nice. When you're cruising, it's nice to have a mirror. So this is something I have not seen on a cruise ship before, is they have little hooks. So we always bring magnets to hang up like hats and things, but they've already gone one step ahead and they've already put these into the ship. So you can hang up your hats or your lanyards or something that you may need to hang right there. So that's pretty awesome and well thought out. This room also has a desk, and of course this is where they'll kind of show you, they'll leave a lot of information for you. Most of your the cruise compasses will be here each day, and everything will kind of be here for anything that you may need. For example, our shore excursion tickets are already placed here. Then there is another chest with more drawers and a hairdryer. So you have so much storage space in this room. I have never, and I'm telling you, I have never been on a cruise ship room with this much storage space. I am completely in awe and very excited and don't feel quite as nervous that I overpacked. I'm sure I did overpack, but at least I have places to put all my overpacking. Here is a mini fridge, which is empty. So you can store drinks, bottled water, anything you may get that you need to keep cold. This is a sofa, and it looks like a sofa pull-out, which means if you have more than 4 people in your family, this would be the room for you, as it looks like it would sleep 5. And just in case you were worried that you still didn't have enough storage space, there's more. I'm totally shocked. I don't even know how to contain myself with all the storage. It's really amazing. And you have a small safe in here. It is not laptop size. And so just keep that in mind. If you normally put a laptop in a safe, it will not fit in that. And then there's also extra drawers here. So there's plenty of space. So we go into the bathroom. You can see it's bigger than a normal size cruise bathroom. It's still small because it's still a cruise ship, but it is larger. There's quite a large shower here, which is really helpful, especially when, for me, I'm a mom and I have to help my kids shower. And it's got a handheld, which makes it a little bit easier for me also. And then it has a drying cord up there too for bathing suits, so it helps with that space as well. And then the sink is ample, and then you've got good counter space here, but what's really nice is that it has some shelves. So you have some room to put out some of your items. And if that wasn't enough room, there is a double under the sink shelving area where you can still place things. So they really thought about space. We go out onto our balcony. You can see it has a little bit more room. A standard balcony room would be cut right there where that is, and we have this extra space for our ultra spacious. No extra chair, but that's okay because we still have more space, which is nice. Even though the balcony doesn't have a full lounger on it, it does have a chair with a footstool, so you are able to lounge and relax, and it does adjust, so you can really relax on your balcony.